Hi, today I'm running ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, let's hold for a while one from our applications and then just drag this app to another one. Now we can see here a new created home screen folder. If you want to add, for example, one more app, you can make it by the same way, just hold and drag it. But if you want to add a couple of apps in one click, just click here to this plus icon, and after that you just should select the applications which you want to add, then click here to OK, and we can see that we'll just add them successfully. If you want to rename the folder, just click here once on the name, and after that just enter the new one. For example, let's use the app's name. We can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you want to move it here folder on the home screen, you just should hold and drag it. By the same way, we can just move folders between the screens and create the new screens with the folders. That's also not a problem. Just to remove the application from here, you should hold it and then drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the whole folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and then click here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. If you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, you should click here to this plus icon, and after that just to unselect these applications, then tap to OK. And also we can remove all of the applications with the folder in one click. Just hold for a while and tap here to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.